Hello friends, how are you? Hope you guys are all well. Welcome to my YouTube channel Bansuloga. So today my topic is what is integrated circuit as a monolitic circuit. Okay, so before we by not wasting our time, let's move to my topic. What is so I'll write it down there. What is integrated circuit? Integrated circuit as monolitic circuit. Okay, so I have searched it down there. A monolithic integrated circuit IC is a complete circuit or a group of the circuits manufactured using a single piece of silicon, a typical physical size being 1.25 millimeter square or about the 50 thousandths of an inch square. Such a circuit may contain 50 or more components such as the transistors or resistors. Okay, so I'll open the www.link.springer.com. okay, so I'll open it because it has written that a monolitic integrated circuit is a complete circuit or a group of circuits manufactured in a single piece of silicon, a typical physical size being 1.25 millimeter square or about 50 thousandths of an inch square. Such a circuit may contain 50 or more components such as transistors or resistors. The word monolithic is derived from the two Greek words monos and lithos, meaning single and stone respectively. The word monolithic implies that the circuit is manufactured within the single crystals. This type of circuit, integrated circuit, is sometimes described as a planar IC since it takes the forms of the total surface. Okay, so this is the PDF. I'll provide down the link of this PDF, so you can go and download it from this site, because if you study this page, so you will also need to study more about this information so that you will pass your exams. I'll also open it www.easytechjunkie.com. They has published that a monolithic integrated circuit is an electronic circuit that is built on the single semiconductor based material or a single chip. Using a single base material is similar to using a blank canvas to create a painting. The surface of it, the initially neutral semiconductor base, will be selectively processed to produce various types of the active devices such as the bipolar junctions, transistors, or even field effect transistors, FETs. A transistor is a three-terminal active device that allows current flow on the main terminals to be controlled. The usually a monolithic integrated circuit has a single base semiconductor referred to as a die. For each amplifier IC, each die may have several transistors interconnected to the create and the electronic circuit that inputs a low level signal and outputs a scaled up version, a process called amplification. The square die could be 0.006 inches 1 millimeter on each side. At this point, it emphasized that the electronic miniaturization is such that more than a dozen transistors and passive components like resistors and capacitors may fit in an area less than 0.002 square inch in 1 square millimeter. Okay, so the die cannot be used alone because it needs to be interconnected to the outside world. A connection is made with the very small bonding wires that are fused into the pads in the die. Okay, the other end of is fused into a lead that will extend to the outside of an IC package. Bonding wires can be used as a small 2/1000ths of an inch and are made of the malleable metals such as gold. The most common way to connect the bonding wire to the die pad is by ultrasonic bonding. Okay, so I think this is enough for today's topic. So time to go. Goodbye. Meet you in the next video.